Happy negative temperature degrees Friday. It is absolutely frigid here. The chickens are ticked because I have them cooped up for the day because it's way too cold. The wind is blowing my garage door open over and over again, so I've been closing that non-stop. I ran my errands very early this morning so that I could get back, and I'm holed up in the office for today because I have a space heater in here and I can keep it on and not waste all of the oil that we just put into the tank. How is your cold Friday going? I decided I've been putting this video off for way too long. I don't admittedly know much about Pokemon. Okay, so of course I know Pokemon. Of course we dabbled in Pokemon cards as a kid, but I never really got so into it just because it was expensive for me growing up. And now there are certainly cute Pokemons out there that I think are really cool and ones that I'm drawn to. I like the idea of it. I think the Pokemon games are a lot of fun. Well, I got my hands on 4 packs of Pokemon cards. This is the Lost Origin series. I don't know if there's different things in each series, but this is called the Sword and Shield Lost Origin series. There's 10 cards per thing. Pokemon's a big deal. I think everybody loves it. So I thought I'll do an opening on my YouTube channel where I will most definitely butcher all of their names and probably say they're so cute too many times, and hopefully not infuriate the Pokemon fam out there. But I've been putting it off because I just don't know. I don't know what to expect with this. I don't know what a rare card is. I don't know any of that. So I thought, what better time than to try it now? And maybe you'll like that I open stuff like this. And if you do, great. Maybe we'll do it again in the future. And maybe you'll be infuriated with me. So I guess we'll find out. I got one of each different packs of cards. So like this, I don't know who that is, but she's got hearts. She, he, it. Oh, the snake. That's a snake around another. Well, consider this Boomer gone Pokemon, because it most certainly feels that way. So I guess we'll just start with the first pack and see what we get. Okay, I think I saw this. Okay, yeah, cool. I don't know if there's a order to this, but I feel like I've seen previous videos, people like 2 cards and then they like flip them over and add them to the bottom of the pile. I don't really know why you do that, but that's what I think. So we got Love Disc, appropriate for February. Love Disc. Phalanx. I know this one. Poliwag. Gligar. 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 Aw, Goomy's cute. Goomy. Oh, this one's holographic. That must mean it's a good one, right? Abomasnow. 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 Is that a good card? It's a cool card. This seems like a good card. Rotom. Is Rotom a good card? Yeah, maybe it is. An energy. Swanna. They're just so cute. It was brilliant to come up with Pokemon. Hariyama. Hariyama. Never heard of that one. Definitely kind of cool though. Aw, Nuzleaf. Nuzleaf is cute. Do you guys organize your cards any particular way? I'm just going to keep them all in the same pile, the pile that I got them in. That's pack number 1. You having fun yet? Pack number 2. This is this guy. Don't know. And then it does come with a redeem your cards. Play today. This must be like a digital card or something. Okay, next one we have Growlithe. We have C Dot. Slugma. Slugma's cute. So far, no repeats. Tynamo. Litleo. Litleo. Aw. Wurmple. Another holographic. Gliscor. Another energy. Ooh, Poliwhirl. Poliwag to Poliwhirl. Licky Licky. And Relicanth. That was the second pack. I'm going to keep them in the same pile like before. Only one holographic, that one. I'm just assuming those ones are the better ones. Let me talk about how I got these cards. So there was a comic shop that we used to go to on the regular. We'd get our comics every week there. Unfortunately, he sold the business and closed up shop. And it was really sad because now we don't get new comics every week. So that's a real bummer. But he was closing the shop. Everything was super on sale. So like the Pokemon cards were like $1.50. And I was just like, well, I won't pay $5 for a pack, but I'll buy them for $1.50. So I bought 4 packs. He didn't have many left, obviously. You know, I think a lot of people, when it comes to Pokemon cards, I know go nuts over them. Which is why, admittedly, me doing this video could go bad or be hilarious for you, just because I don't know what I have my hands on and if it's worth it. So Pokemon fans do fill me in. But yeah, that's how I got the cards, and that's where the idea came from. So don't kill me. Just you know, help me get into this a little bit more, and maybe we can together make me have a toxic habit collecting Pokemon vice. Maybe. Oh, we have our first duplicate. Gligar. Phantump. Sudowoodo. I like that one. Bronzor. Electrike. Oh, these look good. Radiant Steelix. We have Radiant Steelix. We also have Volo, a trainer card. We have a green energy now. We have Metacam. Miss Fortune Sisters. That seems different. I don't know about them. And we have, oh wow, we have Mienshao. That's pretty cool. Only one duplicate and some good holographics, I think. We're on our last pack. I really hope you guys comment on this video and let me know. Maybe I can get one of those card collecting books. Keep all my cards in it. I gotta figure out those cards. Oh, second duplicate. We have Phantomp again. We have third duplicate. Sudowoodo. Woodo. I think this is a fourth duplicate. Yeah, Bronzar. Wow, is this the exact same? No, I guess it's not the exact same. It is in the exact same order as the last one, though. Electrike. Still doing it. Ghastly. That's a new one. Ooh! Inkay. Inkay. Stonjourner. I don't know how you would say that, but gray energy, silver energy. Seadra. That one's cute. Ooh, this one's cool. Seviper. And Stunfisk. What do you think? Are they good cards? All four card packs. Only a handful of duplicates. Thank goodness for that. And a bunch of fun holographic cards. Some trainers. Not too bad. I feel like, considering, it's not too bad. Should I do this again? Should I do more? Do you guys have other card packs? I mean, shoot, get me Yu-Gi-Oh! And I won't know how to pronounce anything. Or what it even is. Same with Magic the Gathering. I only pick Pokemon because at least they're cute. Kind of like Digimon. They should make, I know, once upon a time they made Neopet ones. Maybe I should find some Neopet ones. Just an idea. So yeah, this video won't be for everyone. A little different, but I'm glad I did it. And I'm glad it's over. And I'm glad I no longer have to have Film Pokemon YouTube on my to-do list. So let me know below what you guys think, and I will catch you on the next one. Stay warm.